Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here in the range today doing a little bit of plinking, a little bit of goofing around. And it is a beautiful, beautiful night here in upstate New York, springtime in upstate New York. And I got out here with a couple more really cool rifles from the collection. And I wanted to do a couple more tries at the long rifle. This is a 50-yard prone position, iron sights only, no magnification challenge. We are shooting at a target. This one's already been shot at, but they're shooting at a target like this at 50 yards. And it is not an easy challenge, but I've actually done pretty good at it so far. Done it a couple other times. I did it with my Winchester 52 Pre-A, and I did it with my Anschutz Model 1827 last weekend. And I thought we would get out and give it another couple tries. And the one we're going to be trying in this one is a beautiful, beautiful example of a Mossberg Model 44 US. And this one is a US property, marked with a serial number and US property mark on there. So it's the legit deal. But these were made in like the early 40s for the US military to be a trainer and target gun. And this one is a very, very nice example of one of those. So the only thing not original on this gun is this one actually has a Lyman 17A peep sight on the front of it, which I've actually read that some of the military units changed them out like that to make sighting better, because the original one would have just a post with a hood over top of it, and that makes sighting on a target like this very difficult. So I do have another one at home that has the original front sight as well, but I thought this one would be more appropriate for doing this kind of a challenge. So we're going to get down in prone position and shoot at 50 yards. The sun is dipping quick on me here, so I want to get these shots done before I run out of light. It's hard to see through peep sights when it's dark out. I am shooting this with Norma TAC 22. These Mossbergs really seem to like this Norma ammo pretty well. So let's go ahead. We can load up 5 rounds in the magazine. I think it's actually a 7-round magazine. But we'll do 5 and 5. Alrighty. Let's see here. Just want to make sure I started my camera. I have a nice old vintage Tasco 15 to 45 spotting scope. Really nice spotting scope for a 50-yard spotting scope. These were made in probably the 60s or 70s. I've got another one that's I think 20 to 60. But let's go ahead and see if we can hit anything. I think I was bobbling pretty good there. That was a good shot. I got lucky. So the other guns I did this with, the triggers were much nicer than the one on this one. It's not a terrible trigger, but the other ones were measured in ounces. This one's measured in a couple of pounds. All right, do one more and then we'll take a look. Oh yeah, it's looking nice. Okay. I do love my old Mossbergs. I used to have a ton more, but I got rid of most of my semi-auto guns, and I had a bunch of semi-automatic Mossbergs, but I kept all the bolt action Mossbergs. And I do have a couple of pump action. Well, they're labeled as Premiers, but those were made by Mossberg. So, all right, let's see here. I still have yet to find a Mossberg lever action. I really want one of those. Shaking pretty good here. I got two more. Last one. Let's make it count. Ooh, got some 10s there. All right. That is looking pretty good. Not bad at all. Maybe this will be my best score yet. My best score so far was an 82, which is pretty darn good. I'm gonna go grab that and I'll be right back with you. Alrighty, so I am back and it looks really good. You see, I need to get a bullet out here to plug a few of these holes just to check. I think I got some 9s here. Yep, that's a 9, that's a 9. That one's definitely a 10, that one's definitely a 10. All right, so I did really good. So let's see, I got 1 7, 1 2 3 8s, and 1 2 9s, and 4 10s. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 49, 58, 66, 74, 82, 89. Wow, blew my other scores away. Holy smokes, that is that's pretty awesome. I've always said it in the past, this Mossberg 44 makes me look good. But wow, that is pretty awesome. An 89. I'm not sure if anybody's beat that yet, but that is pretty awesome. And even shooting Norm Attack 22. 89. Awesome. All right, so there you go. Great challenge. Check out the Long Rifle channel down in the description down below. Thanks, Mike, for putting up this great challenge. Hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.